Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to control who can reshare your stories in the Twitch app on your Android phone. Managing this setting helps you maintain privacy and decide who can share your content with others. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom to open your profile section. From the menu, select Account Settings. Next, tap on Security and Privacy. This section handles all your account security options. Then scroll further until you find the Stories Resharing option and tap on it. Here, you will see 4 options: Everybody, Nobody, Mentions, and Mention or Follow. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preference. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily control who can reshare your Twitch stories on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.